Welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your snake's skin in Snake Clash. To change your snake's skin in Snake Clash, first of all, open up the Snake Clash game on your device, and then from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the skin button at the bottom, which is this two cards over here, and this will open up the skin tab. From here, you can browse through the available skin types and categories and then choose the skin that you'd like to change for your snake. If this skin has already been unlocked, then you can simply select your skin and apply it to your snake. If it is locked, then you will need to go ahead and spend some in-game currencies. For example, I'm gonna select this Venom skin over here. In order to unlock this Venom skin, I'm gonna have to spend 2 gems. Simply tap the green button right under this skin type and you will then be able to unlock the skin. Now tap on equip to apply the skin to your snake. And there you have successfully changed the skin of your snake on Snake Clash. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.